wouldn't want to introduce you to Pokemon cards. This gadget here is below $10. With our link, you can get it for $8. And also, the gadget was created by Pokemon. It is very lightweight and waterproof. What I really like about it is that it has over 47% discount on Amazon. So go get yours now for just $8. This material is made up of polythene and the card was made from burlap. It is also HD. It has more features than you can imagine and it is a very good investment to improve your entertainment. This beauty you are seeing here was made by Sopras. You can choose from a range of colors like dark blue, gold, and green. It features a safety lock for candle and is also used for BBQ camping. It was made from champagne gold. The electric lighter arc is windproof and is flameless. It also features a USB lighter, rechargeable lighter with safety lock, and it has over 4.4 rating from the store, which is over 4,330 people visit the superstore on Amazon. You can get this beauty for $9.99 on Amazon using our link. You can use these gadgets under your cabinet mount. You can choose from colors like black, gold, blue, and different other colors. The gadget normally sells for $15, but with our link you get 11% discount. You get it at $7. It is a paper towel holder, a self-adhesive or drilling. It is lighter but stronger than stainless steel. The company behind this lighter claims that it is windproof, waterproof, and USB rechargeable. This is an electric lighter from LOC Fun. It is outdoor, windproof, and it has a dual arc lighter. It is electric lighter, it is USB rechargeable, it is flameless, and also it is used for camping, hiking, adventure, survival, and tactical gear. With this $6 kitchen gadget, you get an onion holder for slicing. You also get a upgraded stainless steel lemon slicer, onion cutter for slicing, vegetable cutter kitchen chopper slicing assistant tool for potato and tomato, avocados, measurable in your cooking. You will definitely need this magnetic measuring spoon. It is a set of stainless steel with leveler. It is stackable and it also features a measure spoon for baking. With this kitchen gadget, you get access to collapsible kitchen funnels. You can choose from colors like red, green, black, blue. Cogni claims that this kitchen funnel is a set of 4, which you get at a much cheaper rate if you buy from Amazon. This item measures 5.12 times 3.62 times 0.71 inches. It features a magnetic tip, a square, flat, Phillips, positive, hex, Torx head style. The material was made from chrome vanadium steel, and you can choose from colors like orange. You can also use this as a gift because it was made for men. It is a 90-degree offset ratcheting screwdriver. It features a pocket mini low profile ratchet. It is a range bit socket set for tight space, and it is cool gadget for EDC gear. This fruit scorer is stainless steel, and with our link you'll get it for just $4.99.